So today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Big Mac as well as cheeseburger using the Best Burger routines that we previously learned. So we're going to drop the bun. Or start with the Big Mac. And he'll always go to the HLV. Let's start with mayo sauce. A half an ounce on each side. That makes a full ounce. So it's now more mayo sauce on the Big Mac. Lettuce. This be overflowing. The lettuce is what makes the Big Mac perfect. 2 pickles. And cheese. Now we're going to put the 10 1/10 on burger. Must use the timer with the one lighted up, more illuminated than the rest. We need the onions facing up for the Best Burger. And we always want to use the tongs to pick up the plug so it won't move. And that's the perfect Big Mac.
Can I get a picture again?